All right, guys, let's go ahead and look at this first part of the assignment, okay? Looking at 1 through 3. 1 through 3 is only asking for heat. They're all pretty simple and straightforward. The only thing that's coming up is that if the temperature goes up, then it's going to have a positive value for Q because it's going to be an endothermic reaction. And if the temperature goes down, then you're going to have a negative value for Q, which is going to be an exothermic reaction. So number 1 is going to be endothermic because it goes up from 12 degrees C to 18. So that's going to be a positive value for Q. And for 2 and 3, they both go up. They both go down. The 375 to 26 goes down, and then 180 to 13 goes down. So both of those are going to be like negative delta T's because the temperature is going down, which is going to end up giving you a negative value overall. Okay. Those are both exothermic. I'm only going to do number 3, but I do want to point out that number 2 says to place your answer in kJ, meaning that you're going to get your answer in joules, and then it wants you to convert it to kilojoules. And you should know that conversion. You should know that there's 1,000 joules in 1 kilojoule. I'm going to do number 3 because you're going to have to do a conversion. See the grams right there? They're in kilograms. So I'm going to go ahead and convert those. I am not going to convert the specific heat. I'm going to convert the mass. Okay, number 3. So what do we have? Q equals MC delta T. What do we have for our variables? Q. We don't know. That's what we're trying to look for. M. Well, they give us 4.7 kilojoules, but I need it to be grams so that the units are going to cancel here. You see that? So I need to multiply by 1,000. You guys know how to do that. It's just a conversion. You can set it up as a T-chart if you'd like. There's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So you're going to multiply by 1,000, and that's how you get grams. So 4,700 grams is the mass. The specific heat is given, 0.4494 joules per grams per degree C. Notice that I wrote it in the IB style because why not? We need to get used to it. And finally for delta T, here's where the temperature goes down. 180 minus 13 goes down 167. So you can put a negative there if you'd like. That way you don't forget that your answer is going to be negative. Okay, negative 167. Okay, I'm just going to plug it in. What's the mass? 4,700 grams. I'm going to multiply it by the specific heat. 0.4494 joules, grams to the negative 1, degrees C to the negative 1. And multiply it by the negative 1. Can you see that? 67 degrees C. Okay, grams cancel. Grams on top, grams on bottom. Degrees C cancel. Degrees C on bottom, degrees C on top. What do you have left? Joules. Multiply 4,700 times 0.4494 times negative 167. You should end up with Q equals negative 352734.06 joules, which is exactly what the answer key says. Yes? All right.